Very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today, we will continue the remaining part of the lesson, logo. Okay, children. So, in the previous classes, you have learned the steps to start logo, isn't it, children? So, let us have a quick recap, children. So, what are the steps? Tell me, children. Step 1, click the start button. Step 2, go to all programs. Then, step 3 is go to logo folder. Okay, children. Then, you can see this type of screen on your monitor. So this is the logo screen, children. So as I already told you. So let us see the parts of this. So the first one is graphics window. You can see the down, you can see command window. So in the graphics window, you can see a triangular shaped object called turtle. Okay, children. And the turtle will be always pointed upward. And it will be always in the center of the screen. So the home of the turtle is center of the screen. Okay, children. So now let us see about the command window. So you can see this is the command window. So in this window, you can see input box. This is the place where you type the commands. So you have to remember, children, that the turtle will move if you type the commands in the command window, that is in the input box. Okay, children. So in order to make the turtle move, you have to type the commands. So now let us see what are the commands now. Okay, children. So one more thing, children, logo commands are also called as primitives. So remember, children, the logo commands are also called as primitives. We can even call it as primitives. So now let us see the first command, that is forward. So this command tells the turtle to move forward by specified number of steps. Okay, children. So in order to make the turtle move forward, we have to give the command as FD. So FD means forward. The short form is FD. You have to type by using the keyboard in the input box FD. In the command window, you can see the input box is there. No? There you have to type FD, children. Okay, children. And not only that, children, you have to mention the number of steps. So here, for example, you can see the steps are 50. Okay, children. So it is mandatory. It is compulsory to mention the number of steps. So if you are not mentioning the steps, the turtle will not move forward. The turtle cannot draw the line. Okay. So now let us see in this in the logo screen, children. Now, okay. So we will type the command FD and also we will mention the number of steps. Now let's see what will happen. So now this is the logo screen, children. So you can see this is the turtle, center of the screen. This is command window. So here input, have to see, you can see a cursor here, children. So here, now what is the command, children? FD. Okay, children. After FD, you have to give space, children. You have to give space. After typing FD, then you have to mention the number of steps. So here I will take 50 steps. Okay, children. Then after typing, after giving the number of steps, you have to press enter key, children. So if you are not pressing the enter key, the command will not be executed. So you have to press the enter key on the keyboard. Then observe the turtle, children, here on the graphics window. Yes. Can you see? So the turtle has drawn the line by moving forward. Okay, children. So how many steps it moved forward, children? 50 steps. Okay, children. So it has moved 50 steps. So understood, children? What you have to do? You have to type FD. And after FD, you have to give space. Okay, children? Then you have to type number of steps. Then you have to press enter key. If you are not pressing the enter key, the command will not be executed. Understood, children? Okay. So that was about forward. So once again, I'll explain you, children. So in order to make the turtle move forward, you have to type the command FD. Okay, children. And The number of steps is compulsory, children. You have to mention the number of steps so that the turtle can move forward. Okay, children. And one more thing, children, you have to give gap after typing the command FD. Then you have to give gap. Then you have to mention number of steps. Then you have to press enter key. Then only you can make the turtle to move forward. Okay, children. So now let us see the next command. Clear screen and draw. So what is clear screen, children? So now you have drawn a line, isn't it, children, by using the FD command. So like this. So now if you want to clear the screen, how can you clear, children? So for that also you have to type command. So here you can either use CS and draw commands to erase everything on the graphics window and brings the turtle to the home position. So what is the home position, children? Center of the screen is the home position. Okay, children. So as soon as you type CS means clear screen, and press enter key. So whatever is there on the graphics window, it will be erased and it will bring the turtle to the home position. So the home position is the center of the screen. Okay, children. So here you can see CS and press enter key on the keyboard. Then you can clear the screen on the graphics window. So now let us see, children, how to clear the screen. So I have already drawn a line by using the FD command, children. Okay, FD50. So now I want to clear this line. Okay, children. So I will type by using the keyboard CS. Okay, children. So after typing CS, what I have to do? I have to press enter key. Otherwise, the command will not be executed. Press the enter key on the keyboard. Then you can see the line is erased. And what about turtle, children? The turtle came to its home. So where is the home of the turtle, children? Center of the screen. So now the turtle came back to the center of the screen. Okay, children. Okay. So now let us see the next command, that is BK, backward. Okay, children. So what will this command will do? This command tells the turtle to move specified number of steps in the backward direction. So now it is again mandatory to specify the number of steps by which the turtle should move. So here also, children, same like forward FD. So here what is the difference, children? So FD means the turtle will move forward. Okay, children. So if you use BK, the turtle will move in backward direction. Children, here example you can see BK, that is backward. Then you have to give space. Then type 50. Not only 50, children. Any number of steps you can give. 70, 80, 90, 100. Any number of steps you can give. And afterwards, you have to press the enter key on the keyboard. And only the command will be executed. Okay, children. So now let us see on the logo screen. So now here in the command window, you have to type BK. Then give space. Then now I will take some 70 steps. Okay, children. So every time no need to take 50, 70. Then after typing this, what I have to do? You have to press enter key on the keyboard. Now observe the turtle, children. How the turtle will move? Yes. Can you see? So the turtle has moved backward direction by 70 steps. Okay, children. So you can observe here, the position of the turtle did not change. So it is always pointed upward in upward direction, as I already told you. So as soon as you have typed BK 70, so the turtle has moved backward by 70 steps. Okay, children. So in this way, we can even move the turtle in backward direction by using the BK command, that is backward. Okay, children. So BK full form is backward. Okay. So now if I want to clear the screen, what I have to do, children? Oh, yes. You have to type CS. C for clear, S for screen. Clear screen. CS. Then after typing, what I have to do? Press enter key. Okay, observe the graphics window, children. Yes. Okay, children. So now you can see that the line has been erased and the turtle went back to its home, that is center of the screen. Okay, children. So now you have learned how to move the turtle in forward direction and how to move the turtle in the backward direction. Isn't it, children? So can we change the direction of the turtle, children? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So for that also, you have to learn some commands, children. So now let us see what are the commands. Right turn. So by using RT, that is RT, R for right, T for turn. So this command turns the turtle to the right direction by specified angle. So it's mandatory to specify the angle in this command. Okay, children. So here the same, for example, you can see, children, RT 90. So here the turtle can move in 360 degrees angle, children. Complete one rotation. Okay, children. So here you have to mention the steps, means angle, degrees, in the form of degrees. So for example, here RT 90. So we will see in the logo screen how the turtle will turn. So children, here we can make the turtle to move in the right direction. Okay, children, by giving the RT command. So here also you have to specify the angle. So as it can move in 360 degrees, so we have to give the angle in this command. Okay, so now let us see in the logo screen. So here you have to type RT. So now I want to make the turtle to move in right direction, children, right side. So what I do, RT, R for right, T for turn, right turn. Then here again space. Then we will take first 90 degrees. Okay, children. So now I am making the turtle to move in 90 degrees and 90. Okay. Then what I have to do in order to execute the command, press enter key. Very good. So now observe the turtle, children. So now can you see the direction of the turtle has been changed to the right side. Okay, children. Understood? Okay. Now, can we change the direction of the turtle to the left side? Yes, we can even change. So now, let us see the command left turn. Very simple. Right turn and left turn. LT, left turn. So this command turns or rotates the turtle to the left direction by specified angle. So here also you have to mention the angle, children. And the command is LT, L for left, T for turn. Okay, after typing LT, give space. Then the angle you have to mention, children, in the form of degrees. Then press enter key. So now let us see in the logo screen. Okay, so in the command window. So now LT space 90. Then in order to execute the command, you have to press the enter key on the keyboard. Can you see the direction has changed, isn't it, children? So the turtle has turned to the left side. Can you see, children? Okay. Okay. So in this way, we can even change the direction of the turtle. Okay, children. So now, so what you have learned, children, in this class today, you have learned how to move the turtle in the forward direction by using the FD command, that is forward command. Then you have learned how to move the turtle in the backward direction by using BK command, that is backward. Then you have learned CS, clear screen. That means CS, if you type CS, use the command CS, it clears the screen in the graphic window. Okay, children. Then also you have learned how to change the direction of the turtle. So by using the commands RT, that is right turn, and LT, that is left turn. Okay, children. So in this way, we can see the turtle, the direction of the turtle can be changed by using the angles, children. Here, if you type LT45, the direction of the turtle will be like this. Then LT90, LT135. Then here you can change the direction by using either RT or LT. Okay, children. So if you type RT45, the direction will be like this. RT90, like this. RT135. Okay, children. Understood? Okay. So now, clear text. So what is clear text? So this command helps to clear the command window. So you have learned about CS, clear screen. So what is clear screen, children? It clears whatever is there on the graphic window. We can clear by using the clear screen. Okay, children. So if you want to clear the text in the command window, you have to use CT, that is clear text. Okay, children, here you have to type CT and then press enter key. So now let us see on the logo screen. So you can see in the command window, you can see there are many commands you have typed. Okay, children. So if you want to clear this, so what you have to type, children? CT enter. So observe the command window, children. Yes. Okay. So your command window is cleared. So in this way, we can even clear the command window also. Understood, children? So that's all for today, children. Here is a small assignment for you all. Write the full forms of FD, DK, RT, and LT. Okay, children. So we will continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.